Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the BSc Nursing Entrance exam in Assam. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure. This includes understanding the syllabus, which typically covers physics, chemistry, biology, and English. Also, pay close attention to the marking scheme, including any negative marking, to strategize your approach effectively. Next, gather all necessary study materials, including textbooks and previous year's papers. Develop a realistic study timetable that allocates sufficient time to each subject. Prioritize understanding core concepts over simply memorizing facts, as this builds a stronger foundation for effective problem solving. Consistent practice is crucial for success. Regularly solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam style and common question types. Taking timed mock tests helps you manage time effectively and reduces exam day anxiety. Afterward, analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas and focus your revision efforts there. Finally, remember to prioritize your well-being during this intensive period. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp. Take short, regular breaks to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Staying positive and confident will significantly boost your performance on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.